Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Run. We're over here at Trail Trash. It's a beautiful March 7th. It's about 4:56 in the morning. 4 minutes to the 5 a.m. early bird start. I call it the early bird special, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're here. It's nice and cold. Glad I brought my jacket, got my sweats on, got my headlamp. We're gonna be doing what we do, putting in some miles. And I'm gonna be here for a long day. So I hope to keep you posted. I'm gonna keep it short and simple, bring in the 30-40 second clip at most. Right now you get a minute. So it's short. These are the ATVs. These are some of the brave souls that are gonna be attacking the course this morning. It's a 5 a.m. starter. Yo, good morning guys. It's your boy. We're out here already putting in that work, putting in that grind. I'm gonna bring you live for a little bit because it's nice and flat over here, but it's hilly and it's dark up here. So yeah, baby, Trail Trash, number 15 right there. Let's go represent 50 miles, baby. Let's get this. Yo, what's up guys? We're over here. We finished 1 mile already. 49 to go, baby. 49 miles to go. So we gotta keep moving. We gotta keep grooving. Yeah, look at this. They're clearing it out so they can put new homes. And we gotta keep going. So let's go, let's go. Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy. We're over here, mile 6. 2 hours, 40 minutes. We're at 6 miles. I'm actually a little slow for a 10K. So I'm gonna be here for a while.
To explain to them why they're doing what they're doing, how it will help them, where it'll take them, why they should continue to work and to struggle and to fight. And when you need motivation yourself, don't look for someone to scream and yell. Don't look for someone else to give you motivation. Look for yourself. Look at yourself. And remind yourself why you are doing what you are doing. Remind yourself.
Yo, what's up guys? Over here, it's still it's barely 10 o'clock, 10:03. I'm at 11 miles right now. Gotta keep pushing. Gotta keep going. No pain, no gain. Slow and steady. Here, nice and easy. Let's see what keeps going in now. So, you can't do it. what's up, guys? It's your boy. Currently in pain, hurting.